Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great other in our collection. A pre-owned 2012 Ford E-250. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive Triton V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 137,304 miles. Drive into savings with this reliable 2012 Ford E-250. Perfect for work or play, featuring ample cargo space and robust performance. Don't miss out on this deal, low mileage and ready for your next adventure. Contact us today. This pre-owned E-250 comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power tailgate. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.